Hello, how are you doing? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna learn about the shapes. We got many shapes here. You're gonna learn the shapes. Ou pral apprendre forme yo. Carré, rectangle, triangle. What I mean kon sa yo? Of course, while sitting down, call your son or call your daughter. Pendant wap chita rele petit garçon ou bien petit fille là pour venir apprendre. We're gonna learn together. Never late to learn. Jamais trop tard pour apprendre. Ok? Et ça, nous allons montrer aujourd'hui. Non seulement comment vous dire et apprendre ensemble. I'm coming back just to show you the name of the shapes. I'm coming back. Hey, welcome back. Remember, my name is Daniot for ANGLè TOUJOU, and these are the shapes. Ça yo c'est shape yo. Ça c'est forme yo. Okay. This shape is, you do it like this. This shape. Now, I am tracing this shape. To trace signifie tracer. Ma tracer shape ça. I am tracing this shape. This shape is a circle. A circle is like that. A circle. Now you trace a circle like that. You trace a circle. Ou tracer un circle. A circle, c'est un cercle. A circle. Circle. Qui j'aime dit? Circle. A circle. A circle like this. We trace a circle. Nous tracer un circle. After a circle, I have a square. A square. A square. I have a square. A square. A square has 4 sides. Your square gain 4 sides. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, and 4 sides. 4 côtés. Your square gain 4 côtés. This is a square. A square. We trace a square. Nous tracer un square. It's a square. After a square, we have now a triangle. 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 A triangle. You see? A triangle. We trace a triangle. Nous tracer un triangle. Do you see how I trace a triangle? I trace a triangle. Like this. I trace a triangle. Moi tracer un triangle. A triangle. Triangle. A triangle has 3 angles. Again, 3 angles. What about a rectangle? This is a rectangle. 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 A rectangle is like that. It's longer than a square. You see, it's longer than a square. This is a rectangle. You take it like this, rectangle. But a square is like this. A square. This is a rectangle. You see, rectangle, square. Square, a square, but a rectangle. Okay, good. A rectangle. Ça really rectangle. After a rectangle, we got a heart. Heart, heart. It's an organ and it's inside of your body. But when I'm talking about shape, you see this. This is a heart. A heart is like this. Or some people do it like this. If I show it to you, you see this is a heart. A heart. That means I love you. Heart. Heart to you, I love you. Heart. Good. This is a heart. I show it to you. This is a heart. Heart. You pronounce it comme heart. Heart. And after heart, qui signifie cœur, we got avo. Avo is not circle. Circle and avo. Avo, you see it like this. Avo. And after avo, I have pentagon or pentagon. I have pentagon. Pentagon, it has 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles, 4 angles, and 5 angles. It has 5 angles. Again, 5 angles. 5 angles, they call it a pentagon. Pentagon. After the pentagon, I have rhombus. Rhombus, you see rhombus? Rhombus, 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles, and 4 angles. Okay, a rhombus has 4 angles. 4 angles. But a pentagon has 5 angles. You see? 4 angles. Rhombus. This is the form of a rhombus. A rhombus, this is what they call losange in French. Rhombus is losange. Rhombus is like this. It seems like we have two triangles together. One triangle up and one triangle gets down to form a rhombus. Like I do it like this and I do it like this. I have a rhombus, okay? Good. I take it here and I get it down. I have a rhombus. And here is a star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A star. Star means étoile. Star. A star. Si wap desine une étoile ou di, I am going to trace or to draw a star. Mwen dessiner yon étoile. I am going to draw a star. I am going to draw a star. I am going to draw a rhombus. Rectangle. Triangle. Square. Circle. Heart. Oval. Circle. A circle like this. On square. On carré. This is a square. On carré. 4 sides. 4 côtés. A triangle, yon triangle. A triangle. This is a triangle. Good. Triangle. Triangle. A rectangle. A rectangle. This is a rectangle. And after rectangle, I have a heart. As I did it like this, a heart. You see me? Oh yeah, good. It's a heart. A heart and oval. Oval is like that. Oval. Not straight like the circle. Oval. You can get it on this side or get it from this side. Oval. Oval. Pentagon. And then rhombus, star. Good. Okay. Si moi fais comme ça. I'm drawing what? I'm drawing a circle. Mais si me fais comme ça. I'm drawing an oval. Yes. If I do it like this. Now I form a heart. This is a heart. If I do it like this, I draw now a square. If I do it like this, you see, I do it like this. Now I draw a triangle. If I do it like this, the line, I trace the line, get it down, both. Now I trace a rectangle. Okay, good. This is a star, rhombus, losange, pentagon, 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 oval, oval, heart, cœur, square, carré, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, circle, cercle, star, étoile, rhombus, c'était losange. M'bral wè sou konnen. Ça c'est, yes, you a triangle. Ça c'est rectangle. Ça c'est square. Ça c'est oval. Ça c'est pentagon. Pentagon. Star. Rhombus. Okay, can you show me the heart? Est-ce que vous avez heart? From this side or that side? Nan bo salye ou bien l'autre bo? Hey, yes, good. It's a heart. Can you show me avo? Avo, avo, avo. It's the sixth. C'est sixième, yes? Avo. What about the pentagon? Pentagon is the seventh. And rhombus. Do you know rhombus? Rhombus. You know rhombus? Okay, this is rhombus. Good. This is the star. This is the rectangle. All right. Let's go now. What is this picture? Ki imagine mazai? It's a star. Congratulations. What picture is this? Ki imagine mazai? It's a rectangle. Good job. Rectangle. What picture is this? Ki imagine mazai pak lalai? Okay, it's a rhombus. Un losange. Good. Okay, good job, good job, good job. Keep on, keep on. What about this picture? Hey, Maisa. It's a, you see it well? No, imagine bien. It's a square. Yes, ils sont square. Ils sont carrés. Okay. What picture is this again? Qui imagine ça? The picture of rhombus. Rhombus. Good. Son losange. Okay. What picture is that? Image, ça c'est image. A heart. Good. A heart. Ça c'est image. Yon cœur. All right. Good. Okay. What picture is that? It's a circle. Yes, it's a circle. You see it. What picture is that? It's the Pentagon. Oui, c'est Pentagon. Yes, it's the Pentagon. Pentagon. To finish, what is this picture? It's a triangle. C'est un triangle. C'est un triangle. Congratulations. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Nous sommes présentés toute formule là. Eh bien, je vais répéter pour nous finir. Let's repeat. Repeat after me, please. It's a circle. Circle. It's a square. Square. It's a triangle. It's a rectangle. It's a heart. It's a oval. It's an oval. Yes. It's an oval. It's a pentagon. It's a rhombus. It's a star. What is this? It's a square. What is this? Rectangle. What is this? It's an oval. What is this? It's a heart. What is this? It's a pentagon. What is this? It's a star. What is this? It's a rhombus. What is this? It's a circle. Yeah. What is this? It's a heart. What is this? It's a rectangle. What is this? It's a triangle. Congratulations, good job. Keep practicing. Remember, I love you a lot. And next video, you're gonna learn more other things. Dans la prochaine vidéo tout à l'heure là, ou à joindre une vidéo tout à l'heure, ou à apprendre plus bagay. Do not forget, my name is Daniot Aneus, and go to Facebook to like my page, which is Teacher Daniot Aneus, and go to my channel, YouTube channel also, to subscribe, qui c'est English Aneus, à tout coller avec English là, majuscule, E-N, E majuscule, N, G, L, I-S, A majuscule, N-E-U-S, English Aneus. So go to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then go to my page also to subscribe. Mais si pas abonner avec channel ça même pas besoin même pas c'est premier coup fait click on the button below to subscribe. And then if you love it, write down below to say you love it. I love you so much and I say bye bye for our next video.